In our first video, we looked at why instant commissions are the way to go. The most beneficial affiliate marketing programs provide immediate payment for every sale. The benefits to the affiliate are clearly tremendous. Getting paid instantly is really nice indeed. And, depending upon how you pay for advertising or promotion, you might get your commissions before you have even paid for the method that made you the sales. Cash flow is the number one thing in all businesses, particularly when just beginning. Having access to cash helps you to grow more quickly. What's in it for the website? Product owners. They get more sales, as the affiliates are more inclined to sign on. Getting paid immediately really grabs the affiliate's attention. Looking into instant commission programs is extremely recommended if you're an active affiliate. And if you're fresh to the affiliate game, it's the best place to begin. Let's do a quick overview of a few. Warrior Plus. The Warrior Plus features the WSO Pro and the WSO Tracker. For Warrior Forum members, there are instant notifications by email, RSS, or a combination. Warrior Plus likewise features the WSO of the Day section, where the greatest offers are detailed. When you're an affiliate for a product, your commission is paid automatically, immediately upon a successful purchase from the buyer. Before you get your commission, though the fee is paid by the seller, this means if you were getting 100% commission, you'd get 100% of the cash left over after the fees. For a refund, the customer requests it from the vendor and the vendor does the refund. When this gets to PayPal, the commission you got gets refunded to the seller. All of this happens automatically. It's a great idea to keep the commission in your account for 60 days to ensure that the buyer doesn't request a refund. The only email address the buyer ever sees is the vendor's. JVZoo. It's free to become an affiliate at JVZoo. You'll get instant access to all the affiliate tools and training. The JVZoo Affiliate Marketplace contains products from a wide assortment of categories. You get up to the minute conversion and EPC details for products you know what to expect from a promotion. Get paid instantly by the vendor. This eliminates chargebacks or PayPal disputes. If you start promoting a product, you'll be cookied to the whole sales funnel. See precisely how your campaigns are doing in real time. There as well is a bonus delivery system and the ability to use two-tier affiliate layout. Vendors deal directly with buyers, so there's no need to ever supply customer support for individuals that buy from your affiliate links. DG Results. Would you like to get paid immediately in your PayPal account on every sale, without the headaches or instant commission scripts? DG Results is the answer. Immediate payment for promoting high-converting products. You simply promote, no customer support responsibility as an affiliate. It's free to get started, up to 100% commissions on premium products. Next, we will look at how to open an account with JVZoo.